guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have something very special for you, and I am here with my twin sister. Introduce yourself.
Hi you guys, I'm Selma Bonsu.
Like I said, we have something very special for you guys today, and we are going to make one of our favorite meals, Acheke, which is from Ivory Coast. That is where we were born, and we've eaten this meal our whole lives. My mom makes the best Acheke in the world. She used to own an Acheke restaurant, so we are the perfect people to actually teach you how to make this. So let's dive straight into it. So these are the ingredients, and my sister is going to show you the tilapia here. We have the tilapia, full tilapia, and we have ginger, we have some habanero peppers, green peppers, garlic, and we have a Maggi cube. We are going to be using the star. We have our tomatoes here, and we have some onions here. We also have some seasoning. You can use Old Bay, but today we have Lawry's here. We have some salt, and the best one, Acheke. Okay, so we are going to wash our hands first. We'll be touching the fish and all these things, so we are washing our hands. Okay, welcome back guys. So we are going to be seasoning the tilapia first, but it is already cleaned.
It's already washed, clean. If you from our house, you're gonna be taking all the yucky stuff, inside the fish. We don't eat those part, so you have to take everything off. You wash it. You make sure you pat dry with a paper towel. So we pat dry the fish a little bit. Now it's time to season the fish. But before we season the fish, we have to, well, don't try this at home. I'm an expert in it, so I can just.
So we just cut the fish so that
the fish should be able to absorb the seasoning, and it will be easier to cook faster.
Okay.
We're going to season our fish with the ginger and the garlic. You can also add pepper to it. It's optional. It's not, necessary. But to make, some people want their fish to be spicy, so you can add a pepper to it.
We blended our ginger and garlic and a little bit of onion, and we are going to season the fish. That is what my twin sister is doing. All right guys, so we are done seasoning. Looks good. We are going to put it in the foil. Preheat the oven to about 450, and this is going to be in the oven for about 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes. Alright guys, so now we are going to make our special sauce that we used to eat this acheke. So it's going to be tomatoes, onions, garlic, the habanero peppers, and ginger. So this is our blended ingredients, and we are going to be cooking this in hot oil for about 15 to 20 minutes. We are going to be adding this Maggi cube to our blended ingredients, and we'll let it sit and cook. Our final thing that we are going to do is we are going to cut these up to make a little
side
vegetable, like my sister said, side vegetable. And we are going to put this in a microwave. Under normal circumstances, we steam the acheke by putting water on fire for it to boil, and we put this in colander and we let it steam. In this case, we're just going to sprinkle some water in it and put it in a microwave for about 5 minutes. Okay. thing to do is to saute these vegetables, and we'll be adding a cube to it. So we'll be all done and I'll bring you the final product. Hello you guys, so we are all done and we are going to show you the final product. Thank you for joining us. Try them at home, tag us, let us know what you've been up to, and let's see if it tastes better than ours, okay? We will see you another time. It is me, Thelma, and my toy sister. Bye.